When you download a web page, you probably expect to see a well-formatted document with text of varying sizes and images and hyperlinks to other pages. In fact, the document that was transmitted across the internet doesn't look much like the document that you see within your browser. The downloaded document is written in a computer language called Hypertext Markup Language, or HTML. It's the job of your browser to display this document in a human-readable form. This chapter will take you through the basics of writing your own HTML code.
HTML is a markup language, meaning it is used to tell a computer how to display content. It does this using tags. Near the top of an HTML document will be this opening tag, and near the bottom will be its partner, the closing tag. See how it's almost the same, except for the /. Most tags come in pairs like this, and they let the computer know that whatever is written between these tags can be identified as HTML.
Between the opening and closing HTML tags are two main sections, the head and the body. In general terms, the head section contains information about the web page, and the body section contains the visible content.
In the head section, we can add a title. Since this is the head section and not the body section, the title GCSEPod will not be displayed within the page. Instead, it will be displayed on the title bar of the browser, and possibly in the taskbar.
In the body section, we can add the visible content of the page. Using the H1 tag, we can add a heading, and with the H2 tag, a slightly smaller heading. Here, we're defining content, such as computer science and HTML, as well as formatting, such as H1 and H2. These headings go on as far as H6, with each one slightly smaller than the last.
The P tag identifies a paragraph, with each paragraph beginning on a new line. Within that paragraph, we can modify the formatting to make text bold or italic. We could even center the whole paragraph, although we have to do so with US spelling. When we alter the tags, we're altering the formatting of the page, not the content. The entire paragraph could have been indented by using the block quote tags instead of the P tags.
We can add text in bullet points by adding this code. The UL tag means unordered list, meaning a list of bullet points. LI means list item, so each individual bullet point is identified here. We could add a horizontal line at this point by adding the HR tag. There is no closing tag for a horizontal line.
To add a hyperlink, we would need to use the A tag like this. This would display GCSEPod on the page and would take the user to GCSEPod.com if they clicked on the text. For an image, we would use the IMG tag, which is another tag that does not need a closing tag. For the image to be displayed, it would need to be called logo.png, and it would need to be stored in the same folder as the web page document.